Hi, I'm Manon de Jongh, and today I'm going to show you how to muscle test with your body as a pendulum. So first of all, you're going to stand up straight, and it's a meridian that goes from around your pubic bone up to your hairline and then sideways. So you're zipping this one up, only need to do it once. And this is strengthening your energy field, so now you're ready to muscle test. So first of all, I'm going to say something which is true. My name is Manon and I'm already falling forward. My name is Karen and going backwards. I'm in the forest and I'm falling forward, and I'm standing on the ocean side and I'm going backwards. So going forward is a yes. Going backwards is a no. Way to muscle test, and that's with your fingers. So first of all, you're going to create an O with one hand, and you create another O with your other hand, and then you're going to pull this open. So when I say something, I pull, so I can keep it closed or it opens. Also pull it open just with a finger. So this is the way I do it, and I always close my eyes when I test something. So let's see. My name is Manon. And my name is Karen, and I can't hold it. I'm standing near the trees, and I'm standing near the ocean, and I can't hold it again. So holding it means a yes, and going through it means a no. We can use muscle testing to check what's in our system, what we carry with us that are either supporting us or limiting us. And of course you want to get rid of those subconscious beliefs that are blocking you in your life. Sometimes you will be surprised to discover what you carry in your system, blockages you were totally unaware of. Okay, well, good luck with it. That's it for today. I wish you a great day and see you again.